All right, here we go. I'm going to recap, try to do this real quick because I want to finish off the section and let the rest of you do that. And I'm out, so the video might be a little bit lengthy. I apologize for that. But just to recap, 5 states don't have state sales tax. Okay. First question was asked, which says, hey, Dustin buys a lawnmower for $350 in Delaware. His cousin Nina buys the same model in Jersey. What is her total bill for the lawnmower? Well, remember, the total is going to be equal to cost plus the tax that you pay. So the cost was equal to $325, but the tax that we had to pay was equal to 325 times what? This is where we said do some doodles. 6.625% was equivalent to 0.06625 as a percent. So 0.06625 as a percent, which was equal to $21.53. So we're going to have to add the cost plus $21.53, which is going to make my total here end up being $346.53. Now, the other thing I told you to do is, this is still not quite finished. It's close, but it's not quite acceptable. What you need to do is you need to write a short, complete sentence. Nina's cost will be $346.53 for the lawn mower. This tells what she paid and what she bought. They've got a third cousin, Moses, who lives. And again, some of you, we finished this in class, so this is a repeat, I'm sorry. But I want to make sure I cover everything, because it could be possible one class I didn't cover it. They've got a third cousin, Moses, who lives in Kansas City. He pays 4.225 in state sales, 1.25 in county, 3.5 in city. They're just taxing him like crazy. So what can I do? I can multiply the 325 by the 4.225 and take that total and add it to the 325 times the 1.25. Or, hey, guess what I can do? I can say the tax, or let's say this, total tax percent is 4.225 plus 1.25 plus 3.25 plus the 0.125 to get a total of, got it in my notes here, a total, where's that, oh, come on, 8.85%, if that's correct, total in taxes, right? So, remember, total is equal to cost plus tax. Well, we know he spent $325 for the mower, but we want to add the tax into that. What is the total for tax? The tax is equivalent to, make sure I get this right, here we go, 325 times, what is this as a decimal? And again, if you have to, 8.85, move it over 2 places. It's going to be 0.0885, and that's going to give you a total of $28.76 in taxes. So $28.76, that's going to give you a total bill of $353.76. So Moses paid horrible. $353, again horrible. $53.70, I knew there was a 7 in there, 6 cents for his lawn mower. All right, now we get to the meaty stuff here. Moses gets the idea that he should drive up to Delaware to buy a lawnmower there instead, so he can save all the tax money. But he realizes he'll need to pay for round-trip gas between his hometown, Kansas City, Missouri, and Dustin's hometown in Dover, Delaware, 1,142 miles away. His vehicle gets roughly 23 miles per gallon on the highway, and a gallon of gas is currently $3.30. Gee, wish it was $3.30 here. Is driving to Delaware for the lawnmower worthwhile? Show your work. How are we going to figure that out? Well, gee, let's do some math here. We have 1,142 miles one way. We got to have that coming back. So what are we driving total? We're driving that twice, and we're going to divide that by 23, the miles per gallon. And that's going to give us 5.33. No. Wrong one, sorry. 99. I knew I was looking at the wrong one. That gives us 99. We're going to take that total, multiply it by $3.30. So it's going to tell us we're going to need 99 gallons of fuel. So times $3.30, that is going to give us a total of $327.70 in gas to go there and back. Is gas, not is gas, in gas. Just to go back and forth. And some of you are saying, well, gee, the gas costs more than the lawnmower. Yeah, duh. Okay, so right here, I don't have to add the total together. All it says is driving to Delaware for the lawnmower worthwhile. Show your work. Well, right here, and I put just in gas, tells me that no, it's not worth it. Okay? And I'm going to tell you to finish the complete sentence. Again, make sure you write it in a complete sentence. Given the idea by Moses, Nina is wondering if she should travel from her home in Edison, New Jersey to Dustin's house in Dover, Delaware. And if you're not familiar with a little geography, New Jersey and Delaware are a little closer together than Kansas City and Delaware. So what are we going to do here? Okay, they are 144 miles from each other. Well, just like the previous, we have 144 miles. She's going to have to do that going there, and she's going to have to do that coming back. So let's divide by or multiply by 2. Her car though gets 54 miles per gallon. So this right here is going to tell me how many gallons of gas I'm going to need. I'm going to need 5.33 gallons of gas. Well, gee, if gas is still, we're assuming that gas is still $3.30 per gallon. This is going to tell us how much we're going to spend in gas. $17.60 in gas. Well, okay. Well, so now maybe I need to do some thinking. I might need to add the $3.25 for the cost of the lawnmower plus the $17.60. Okay. Okay. So this is the lawnmower. Remember, there's no state tax. So this $17.60 is not tax. Wait a second. What happened to the tax? There's no state tax in Delaware. So we're paying $325 for the item, but we got to pay for the cost of gas. So this in total is going to be $342.60. Okay? What did she pay before? Gee, go back. What did she pay before? $346.53? $342.60. She's going to save a little bit. Make sure you write that in a complete sentence. Okay? Is the trip worth it? Yes, the trip, ... You finish the complete sentence. Okay? When deciding whether it's worthwhile to cross state lines to avoid sales tax, what factors, and you answer this. Give me some good stuff. You think of reasons to share on Monday. All right? I got some good ones. Ask questions.